Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellencies, the committees, the honorable juries, they're my friends who participate in this speech contest, my loving brothers and sisters. First of all praises to Allah who give this life and goods as always. Secondly, salawat and salutation must be upon Rasulullah Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his family, friends, and followers. I am Niken Duenisa. I am from English Education Islamic University Raden Intan State Lampung. Today, I'd like to deliver my speech about the school role in overcoming moral decadence. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Instagram, right? And some of us have a TikTok. At a TikTok, we often see videos of young women wearing inappropriate clothes and dancing inappropriately. We also often hear the news about some teenagers consuming drugs. And before pandemic at big cities, people and teenagers going to pub is common thing. Teenagers to free sex is also very common right now. It's ironic and pathetic, isn't it? How can something like that happen to our younger generation? No. Let me ask you. Is it the parents' fault for not keep watching their children, or the school and the teacher fault for not educating the student well? Are the students themselves fault? Well, I think that all of them are responsible of this, starting from the students, the parents, the teachers, and the school. All of them have the responsibility to educate and to guide the students to be a good moral person. But in this occasion, I will emphasize on the role of school. Ladies and gentlemen, what is moral or morality actually? Morality is basically the human attempt to define what is right and what is wrong. Our morality can be determined by many factors, by the environment in which we develop and grow definitely influence our morality. Therefore, our family, our teachers, our friends at home, and our friends at school will affect our moral development. Then, how can school affect our moral? Ladies and gentlemen, school in Arabic is madrasah, which has the meaning the place for learners to learn. School, especially madrasah or Islamic school, is an important place for Muslims to know Allah, Rasulullah, Al-Quran, Hadith, and to boil use as the learners to have a good attitude, to be afraid of Allah, and to follow Rasulullah. Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Innama bu'istu liutammima makarimal akhlaq." I was asked to make the attitude perfect. Concerned with the hadith in madrasah or Islamic school, we learn akidah akhlak and ta'lim al-muta'alim. By studying this subject, we learn how to behave ilahi. And we learn how to treat other people with kindness, respect, compassion, fairness, and humility. Just like the behavior of Rasulullah, moreover, the teacher of madrasah or Islamic school to not only educate the student academically, but they also passionately guide the student to have a good attitude, to do good things, to avoid bad things and sin. The teachers in madrasah of or Islamic school usually always keep watching on the development of their students. The teacher would advise the student if they do some mistakes. But why aside previously is the role of Islamic school, so what about public school? Public school also has some important subject that can build student models such as citizenship, religion subject, and also counseling. Besides, our curriculum also emphasizes on characterizability. It is a very crucial for either Islamic or public school. Another role that can be done by school is that school provides many extracurricular and activity that can develop student skill. The school motivates students to get achievement based on their passion. By being busy doing extracurricular and joining some competition, the students will not have much time to do the negative activity. They use their time mostly and useful activities. Ladies and gentlemen, I will sum up my points. School and madrasah to have role in reforming student morality. First, should student knowledge like akidah akhlak, citizenship, and ta'lim. Ta'lim applying just at real life, the school, the teacher, and the students will be a person with good attitude. Second, school is a place for students to not only learn about knowledge but also the place where their attitude and behavior abide. Third, school provides many positive activities and motivates students to get achievement and so the time to do negativity can be minimized. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech for today. Thank you for your attention. And lastly, thank you our teachers at school for the kindness who make us become the person with good moral like we are today. And to all the students, let's study school seriously and be a champions, the champion in goodness. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions, no time for loser, because we are the champions of the world. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.